Hi amazing people across the world. I wish that you all are fine always, and today's video is very important to each one of you because I'm going to show you my own apartment where I live here in Germany. And the reason of this video is very simple. I just want to give you perfect idea whenever you're coming to Germany and you want to have your own privacy, you want to have your private apartment. So what facilities you can expect in your private apartment and how much rent you should pay. So all these things I will cover in this video so that will give you perfect idea how much money you should spend. So that's very important for you. So without wasting time, let's start. Let me show you my own apartment. So this is my apartment where I live right now, and I have the top floor. Now let me show you the surrounding area, how it looks like. And I have the top apartment, top floor. Now let's get inside and I'll show you what I have. So this is the place where we have our dustbin because it's always outside. This is for the paper and this is for plastic. And now let's get inside. So this is the basement we have. Let me turn on the light. Now let's go to this side. So this is the washing room area we have. This is my washing machine. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 people are living in this building. Everyone has his or her own apartment. So this is the place where we wash our clothes. And this is the dry room. We call in Germany Trockenraum. So what you see right now, it's storeroom in the basement because whenever you have things which you don't use often and sometimes you use so that you can put inside, and whenever you need you can take it outside and then you can use that, and afterwards you can put inside again. So this is very important as well. You must have the storeroom whenever you're paying this huge amount of rent. So make sure that you have this storeroom as well. And now let's move upstairs so that I can show you my personal apartment. So this is my apartment on the top floor. Let's go inside. And now what you see is that it's the living room of my house. So we call it Wohnzimmer. Wohnzimmer. Here we have der Kampf der Hauptlinge. So I have so many book collections, and why I'm showing to you is that I really love German language, and that's why I really speak good German language, because I give it to time, and it's very important for you really to dedicate some time. You really have to have some book collections so that you can read as much as you can, and grasp new things, new words. That really helps you to really improve your German language. And what you see right now, it's my bathroom. And now I'm showing you my own kitchen. I'm standing here and making this video for you. You can see all the chairs on the table. So it's my dining room. And now what you see is that garden.